Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Bitrix24. This is a really useful feature if you're managing client billing or want to keep all your financial documents organized in one place alongside your CRM data. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to bitrix24.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Enter your email and password, then click the Sign In button to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your Bitrix24 dashboard. Now look over to the left sidebar menu where you'll see various sections for managing your business. Click on CRM. This is where all your customer relationship management tools live, including contacts, deals, and yes, invoices. Clicking this will open up the CRM section and give you access to all the features you need. Once you're in the CRM section, navigate to Invoices. This option might be listed directly in the menu or under a submenu, depending on your account setup. Click on it to view your invoice management area. Here you'll see any existing invoices you've created, and this is also where you'll add new ones. Now it's time to create your invoice. At the top of the Invoices page, you'll notice a blue plus button with a label that says Add Invoice. Go ahead and click this button. This action will open up a new invoice form where you can input all the necessary details for your client's billing. You'll now see various fields that need to be filled in. Type in the information needed for your invoice. This typically includes the client's name, invoice number, date, itemized products or services, quantities, prices, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Take your time here to ensure all the details are accurate, as this will be the document your client receives. The form is pretty intuitive, so just work your way through each field systematically. Once you've entered all the required information and double-checked everything for accuracy, scroll down to the bottom of the form. You'll see a Save button there. Click Save to create the invoice card. This finalizes your invoice and adds it to your Bitrix24 CRM system, where you can track its status, send it to clients, or make edits if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created an invoice in Bitrix24, making your billing process more streamlined and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.